Hello everyone, so today I want to show you guys a little bit of a situation that we have here. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at the torque mount. Yep, that's destroyed. Man, that's why when I accelerated hard, there's like a thumping noise, like you can feel the engine bouncing back and forth. So today's video is gonna be me replacing it, and I actually got one right here from IPD. IPD hooked us up with a billet poly torque mount. It's beautiful. It's light too. Look at it. IPD. So we're gonna get that installed right here, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Well, not like that, like that. I'm gonna start embarrassing myself on camera too. All right, so yeah, we're gonna get that installed. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. First things first, you gotta remove the engine cover. And I took a look here how to do it. It looks like you need to take the coolant reservoir off, which is couple of, I think it's one bolt, yeah. One bolt and then one slot. You just got to pull it out once you unscrew that bolt right there. And then there's two bolts right here that you take out. I'm guessing once I take this out, these bolts come out, and this this torque mount is gonna come right out. So we got to get the coolant reservoir out, and then just take those two bolts and see if it comes out. Right here off, and then pried this rubber mount, oh no, it's still plastic, off that right there. And then I kind of just got a 15mm wrench, yeah, and then unscrewed this bolt, and I kind of just moved this reservoir around to kind of get the bolt out. And the same thing with that one as well, just moved it away and then took that bolt out. So I'm guessing this is gonna come out. Yeah, see, came right out. Look how destroyed that is. Literally, like it was doing nothing besides maybe from keeping it from clunking, because there's rubber around it. But yeah, so we're gonna get this beautiful thing installed now. Just look at it. All right, this beautiful thing is in. I gotta say, it kind of kicked my butt a little bit, because this torque mount, it's a little bit harder to fit in, so it fits really tight right here, and this one kind of fits tight too. So I had to kind of grab a screwdriver, a big screwdriver like this, and just stick it underneath and kind of pry it, because it wouldn't when I put it in, it wouldn't line up with the two holes on the side. So I had to kind of pry it up to line up the bolt. Same thing for this one. And also I gotta point out, there's a right here, there's a wire, and it goes onto that earpiece right there. Make sure you take it off. It'll make your life so much easier. Because I kind of just struggled here for like 10 minutes trying to get this out of the way, and it wouldn't move like far enough. It would be really tight. Once I took that off, it gave me like another 5 inches of space to kind of move the reservoir around. So take the wire off when you do it, just off the coolant tank. Just put it aside until you install this, and then after that, put it back. So it's in. Look at it. It's beautiful. Gotta put that seal back, because I had to take it off to take that small 8mm bolt off the coolant reservoir off. So yeah, look at it. It's kind of like part of the decoration of the engine. It also serves a really good purpose. If you upgrade your car, you definitely want to do one of those, because the OEM one, I think it's weak for original software and engine performance. But if you upgrade your car, this should be, one of the first things you do on your car, because, I learned it the hard way. learn the easy way from me and do those when you start upgrading. So yeah, definitely looks cool, and I'm hoping my car is gonna feel a lot better now. Look how pretty my engine bay is getting, and it's gonna look a lot prettier soon. Stay tuned. So that will be a wrap for today. We got that installed. Hope it helps somebody out, and just an update on future plans. I have some exterior upgrades for the car already ordered, interior as well, and I am looking to order some more performance upgrades now. I'm talking to some tuners, I'm talking to some modification companies that modify these cars, that make the parts for these cars, and just kind of trying to decide what to get next. So we're definitely not done with this car. I'm going to continue building it, and I'm trying to build probably one of the fastest and the most reliable Volvo here, at least maybe in our state, in Oregon here. So we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and as always, see you next time.